Another day, another English lesson: formal versus informal synonyms in English. Welcome. In English, we have words that mean the same thing. These words are called synonyms, but sometimes these words are best used in different situations. Some words are used in casual, everyday conversations, while others are more appropriate for serious or professional situations. It's important to know the difference. What are formal and informal words? Informal words are used with friends, family, and in relaxed situations. Formal words are used in business, school, or official writing and speaking. Let's look at some examples in real-life situations. Example 1. Buy versus purchase. At a store, I want to buy some fruit. Informal, natural. On a business website, click here to purchase your subscription. Formal, professional. Buy is common in everyday conversations. Purchase is used in formal or professional contexts, especially in writing. Example 2. Help versus assist. With a friend. Can you help me move this box? Informal. Customer service. Our team is available to assist you with any issues. Formal. Help is simple and friendly, while assist sounds more polite and professional. Example 3. Start versus commence. Talking with friends. Let's start the movie now. Informal. At an official event, we will commence the ceremony at 5 p.m. Formal. Start works in everyday conversations. Commence is reserved for formal events or announcements. Why does this matter? Using the right word helps you communicate clearly and respectfully. If you are talking to a friend, you can use informal words. If you are writing an email to your boss or teacher, formal words are better. Understanding this difference will make you sound more natural and professional in English. Now watch and choose the most appropriate verb, informal or formal, to complete the sentences.
Mommy, can I buy some gum?
Two. Customers are advised to assist elderly passengers when boarding the train.
Oh, it makes me so angry when my car won't start.
Four. The meeting will conclude after the budget proposal has been discussed.
Can you fix my bike, Dad?
Six. Applicants must attempt to submit their forms before the deadline.
This work is killing me. I really need a vacation.
Eight. We decided to inquire about the availability of the conference room. Nine. Hot air balloons clearly demonstrate that hot air rises in the atmosphere.
If you have a secret, don't be afraid to tell me. I won't say a word.
(11) All visitors must obtain permission before entering the hospital. 12. If you want some candy, you don't have to ask, just take some. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for notifications.